Okay, welcome to the channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get started. Today we're going to be reviewing the Crazy Factory custom plugs. Now these are my own custom designs. They took over a week to get here, but now we finally have them. We can have a quick look and do a quick review of them. There we go, there's one. And there's two. As you can see, this one is my logo, Abducting God's Tattoos. And this one here is The Sesh Needs You, another one of mine. So overall, I've got to say, first off, the quality of the print is very good. As you can see, that is some very small writing. Yeah, you can read it crystal clear. Same goes for this one. Just how it looks in the face area and the text is really sharp. So first impressions are really good. Moving on to the materials themselves, this top plastic here feels a bit soft on top. So if you were to get these, I'd just be careful of scratching this top bit, because it feels like if you really went with your nail there, you'd probably scratch the top of that. But other than that, the rest of the plastics, it's pretty solid. There we go, that was a bit tight on there. So as you can see, nice little ring thread, and that's the back piece there. Overall, it's not the sort of biggest flare, but that should be enough to keep it in your ear. These are 18mm, and they do come in many other sizes. Let's try and get this thread back on. With it being so tight, it's a little bit difficult to get that back onto there. So once again, when you're putting this into your ear, this may be a bit difficult. There we go. It's lined up nicely. This one's a bit looser. Ooh, there we go. So once again, the quality of the prints is really nice. The thread itself is nice and tight. That feels really solid. Now these cost about £8, which is roughly $10, and that was with delivery. So that's £8 each, and about just over a week to be delivered. But yeah, overall, first impressions, very happy with these. And so now I'm going to put on screen just a few pictures of how it looks in my ear. So first off, the logo. And now the same again for this one here, just so you can see how they look. So that concludes my review on the Crazy Factory custom plugs. Hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell.